They got 50.
Hey, C-Mac. Hey, C-Mac. We outside. Talking about we don't be outside. We outside, nigga. 55th Street.
Hi, Sherry. I was doing in the last life from last time. How you doing, fam?
How you doing, man?
Oh,
Carla.
Money, where you going? What up?
Yeah, go follow me all off of Vermont, bitch. All off Vermont.
I'm gonna keep it 83rd
More
Street.
story. We looking for them niggas with the yeah.
B hat.
Yeah, the B hat.
Nigga.
Looking for the niggas with the motherfucking B hat and the F hat.
We're looking for them Falcon caps.
Yeah, the Falcon ball hats. Cause I never see those.
Yeah.
Unless I about all the hats, I never see a Falcon.
Maybe a PJ hat or two.
All right, tell Xavier TV to do the Falcon hat from the 10 to 10 ratio.
A booty hole.
Nigga.
On the set. That's it.
Keep
The
it
press
straight.
ratio is
Walk in.
0.
Press ratio 0.
0.
Nigga,
Yeah.
walk in with a Falcon hat. Oh, that's all we can do.
I'm a Atlanta Falcon fan. He said, I'm gonna keep it. Goose said some bullshit.
He said he gonna keep it 3,200,611 49th Street.
I was not finna sit there and do all that. Rich fat boy.
So is the Broadway East Side or they both?
Goose said booty hoes BS. Why do you got the fucking? Why do you got that K by that letter, bro?
Hey, one of your fans said I like an interview.
Go gotta do an interview
They
with
got both
what's his
sides.
name?
They got West and East. Some niggas from East Side Broadway, some niggas from West Side Broadway.
Hey, I'm changing my name to
It's still Broadway.
Trey Shice, nigga.